How to turn off and disable favorites bar on Microsoft Edge browser. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Microsoft Edge browser. This is the home page. Go here, click on those three dots, go down, click on settings. Now after you click on settings, it will take you directly to this page, as you can see. Now all what you have to do is so simple. Just go right here and click on this appearance option. After you click on appearance, scroll down until you find show favorites bar right here. Now go here and choose never. Now we just turn it off the favorites bar easily. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.